Hey guys, welcome back. And today, yeah. So, it's a long story. Before, I will not show you, but, yeah. Our car is filthy, so. From the previous one, it has not gone too good. Hold on a second. I cannot hear anything. Okay, I guess our sound is off today. But, yeah. I just, yeah, just a little bit mad because beforehand, it's a long story, but I'll be fine. I mean, I'm perfectly fine today, so like always, I'm always fun, jolly, and but I'm fine. So let's get on with it with my regular voice. Oh, thank you, car wash shine or such. Well, what the heck is in here? Whoa, wishy-washy things. Love these things. So, ready? Brick layer. Another layer, another layer. Look at this. Look, guys. Brick. 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 Plastic. Metal. Bristle things. I mean, like... Is there no sound, actually? Okay. Guess no sound today, but that's perfectly fine. So now I know exactly where to go, and hold on a second. Let me go check the map real quick, and I think it's up here. Yeah, it's up here. Somewhere. I think it's up there? I don't really know, but be around there somewhere. I don't really know where, like, it could be. Let me hide all. Guys, they are still working on things, so let me whoa, sorry, wrong thing. It's a big map, actually. Alright. We have to be good to go now. I think our first journey should be Oxford Arena or something, which I will get to soon, eventually. I am almost as fast as the map can go. Guys, we are already there. We're already there, but just a little bit fun before. Gaming time montage. Yeah, oh my gosh. Ow, dude. I'm already getting dirty. Yeah, getting dirty. Get over here. If only the warp border was, like, not there, I could have probably been fine. But the warp border is gonna crash me right now. Maybe not. I don't know. But once that gets out of reach, probably I cannot go up here. Wait, I can actually go up here. Wait a second. Wait a second. This tray didn't move by itself. I did. Arrow. So. Finally. Look how high I am. Because this is not the highest point. Well, it probably is the highest point that you can get up to, but no, this is the wrong place. Where's the highest point? I think we're here, guys. We're here. Look at this, guys. At the highest point. I think. No, there's more. Just look at that over there, though. Guys, we have revealed. Whoa. Look at this. Wow, look how beautiful it is. Ooh, good bit of chill. What's that? Just a void. Yep. Let's go that way. Let's go all the way down. Uh-oh. It's gonna get rough. Uh-oh. I gotta go. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna fly. I can 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 fly. Ooh, that was sweet move. I can fly. Oh my gosh. I'm going. I cannot show you what's over there because it's so awesome. I will not let you see what's over there. Do not look on this side. Not on this side, please. Not on this side. Do not try to look over there. Don't try to look over there. My arm hurts. It actually hurts from this playing like for like 90 minutes, but I think it should be good. Here we go. Down this hill. And cross into her house. Not really. Yeah. Don't tell me I got stuck here. Again, I hate getting stuck there. It's so annoying. Hello, welcome to the Marco Doubletree. How can I help you? Hi, I got stuck on your house. How many players just ran up this? But no players have been in my world, so there's no like world number with my my latest video with the block thing, so it's don't ask about it, please. Don't ask about it at all. Just for the viewers. You, Timmy, I see you. Hold on a second. I have not been doing this. Guys, hit the like and subscribe button immediately. Subscribe and share this with your friends. Please subscribe and like. I take a lot of effort to make these videos. It's super hard. Like literally, climbing up this mountain is so hard. Look at this. It took more effort than that other one. Look at this. Actually, that might be the higher peak. Over, yeah, we're here. I think we're here, but like it's not yet there. So hard. Hold on a second. Yeah, that was the higher peak. Right there, that's the highest peak. Now we gotta climb up more mountain. Yep, we gotta climb up more mountain. And we gotta go this way. Yep. Swerving. Tripping, swerve. I'm coming! Guys, wait 1 second. Wait, please. Please wait. Please wait.